Welcome to the Purple Mash for Parents videos. In this video, we're going to explore how you can use some of the Purple Mash templates and tools to get your children writing up their science experiments that they're conducting at home. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the Science Topics button here on the home page. There are two templates here that your children can use to help write up their science experiments. Let's have a look first of all at the FAIR test. This is a very simple template that you can use to write about your science experiment. And it has some very simple subheadings here that you can complete based on what your science experiment was. You also have some clip art on the right hand side here that you can drag and drop into your science template. Or you can upload your own images that you've taken as you've done the experiment using this green plus at the bottom here. I can either use one of the pre-made clip art items, and there are hundreds of these. Let's go down to the science section here. There's lots more that I could add in there, or I could choose a file from my computer. If I click on this Choose File button and then go to my PC, I can then choose an image or a photograph that I've taken of my science experiment. I can then drag and drop that into my template, rotate and resize it, and even draw over the top of it. Let's go back now to the science topic page and have a look at this template that I can use also. This is a different kind of template that your children can use, and you can upload your own images into here of photographs of you conducting the experiment. There are also some very helpful sentence starters that you could click on the left-hand side in this Think About box. By clicking on these sentence starters, it gives your children an idea of what to write in their template. Here is the science experiment I have written up. So, first thing I have done is add in all the information from my observations, add in some clip art of the equipment I used, and I'm now going to add an image into this area here of a photograph that I took of my experiment. I'm going to use the upload arrow here, go to my PC, select the image, and click open. That image will then be added to the gallery here, and I can zoom in, click the choose button, and that's now been popped inside my image box. Once I've saved that, I can then share that with my friends using the drop down menu, clicking on the share option, and I can either blog about my work or share this to a display board. I'm going to select that option and go down to the Year 2 class display board and post that onto that display board. Once my class teacher has approved that work, it will be visible by all the children in my class. If I want to blog about it on the class blog, I can use the same share option and blog about it here. Choose the blog that I want to send it to, write in my title and a summary. I can also write about it in the body of the blog, choose my font size, my font family, my font color, and off I go. If I click save, that will then be posted onto the blog post. Once the class teacher has approved that work on the blog and the display board, it will be visible here for all the class to see. Using the sharing option, click on the display board, and there it is. And I can click on that to open it in the big screen, and all my classmates can read my science experiment. Let's have a look at the blog now. Let's go back to the sharing tab, click on the shared blogs tab, and go to the blog that I shared it to, our best work blog. And there it is. In this video, we've looked at two different templates in the science topics area that your children can use to write up their science experiments. There are lots of other brilliant tools and resources in the science topic area that you can explore. I hope you enjoy it.